Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And again, pizza! Yep, more pizza. It's a lot of fun, I really enjoy it, and I thought since I've got so much of something I should make one, and I'm gonna make something else that's cool too. What's in the bag? Look at that, it's our old friend, pumpkin spice cup noodles. They're bringing them back, but I got a bunch of the old ones. So I'm gonna make a pizza using those. Crazy, huh? Well, we'll see how it works. Since I always do a pair of pizzas, I thought the other one could be made with this one. This is Nissin Firewalk Sizzling Rich Pork. And I find this to be the best of the Firewalk range. And I thought this one could be pretty good too. So let's commence with pizza making. Alright, so here we go. The first one we have is Nissin Cup Noodles Pumpkin Spice flavor. I used a slight bit less water when I cooked it so the sauce would be thicker. So there's a base of that, then the noodles, then some cubed apples that were tossed in cinnamon, sugar, and nutmeg, and then mozzarella on top. This one is the Nissin Firewalk Sizzling Rich Pork. I did the same thing, a little less water, made the sauce a little bit thicker, less of a broth, used that as a base, then the noodle, then thin sliced barbecue pork, and then some mozzarella. Let's start with this one and we'll give it a try. Alright, so here we've got a slice of this stuff. Let's try it. I gotta say, it's not bad. It's kind of got a dessert pizza kind of thing going with it. It's got a little bit of that pumpkin spice. It's got a lot of the apple and cinnamon, sugar, and nutmeg going on. Now, what they say to do when you just make the regular cup of pumpkin spice noodles is to add a little bit of whipped cream. And there you go. Whipped cream on pizza. I know. I'm the one doing it, and I'm sitting right here looking at it. Let's give it a try. It's interesting because those bits of apple worked out really well, and this does work. I don't know about the whipped cream, but the pie itself is pretty good. It's a good pizza pie. Definitely different and unique. Let's try the other one. And here is the Sizzling Rich Pork Firewalk Pizza. Give this one a try. This is interesting. It's almost like a spicy tonkatsu pizza. This is really good. The barbecue pork has a little bit of a sweetness to it, and that really balances well with the heat. I think it was definitely a good idea to put that spicy sauce on last thing, and it came out really good. This is, of the two, I definitely like this one the best. I think I'm gonna forego the whipped cream on this one though. Well, there's our two pies. One made with Nissin Pumpkin Spice Cup Noodles, which was going to be back in stores pretty quick if it isn't already. And this one, the Nissin Firewalk Sizzling Rich Pork, which, I don't know, we got it at our local grocery store. Better than expected. This one I had a feeling was going to come out good.
This one I really wasn't sure, but it's good. It works with that apple and everything, and it all ties it together. Anyway, so yeah, I know you think I'm weird, but I really like experimenting with stuff, and this is a lot of fun for me. So yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.